What's up, YouTube? We are back with another video here with some great plays that I think will do very well. And the great thing about it is they are cheaper plays. They're all under $50. So if you like making money, you are at the right channel. Daily Cash Stocks. I am Lloyd Phillips, your host. Now, great things here. The market was great. The market was great, as I can repeat that. Up $1,100 just this week, as you can see here on the screen. $1,100. Truly blessed and thankful, and I hope that you guys can be doing the same thing. Hopefully that can help you guys out. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy who is here to look to help you guys out. So make sure on these plays that you do your own DD and that you do your own research and figure out if these plays are good for you. Now, before we get started, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks to all those who have been watching these videos. I hope it has been helpful. All right. And real quick, Lee, if you are not invested and you want to use Robinhood, which is the app that I have up right now, you can get a free stock by signing up right now through my link that I'll have in the description. And also on Webull, you can sign up on there, deposit $100, and you will get a free stock as well. All right, so thank you guys again. Make sure you check out those other videos that I'm going over, how to start investing on Robinhood and how to start investing on Webull. So now all that is done, let's get into these plays. These plays are going to be good, and I'm excited to present them to you. Let's get it. All right, guys, our first play is Fubotv. All right, Fubotv. It's at $27 right now, as you see on the screen. All right, the market is closed. It is a Saturday. I think this company is going to do very well in the short and the long term. All right, so at $27, I think it's not a bad price to buy in. All right, if you can get in under $25, that would be great. All right, a lot of times what I say, for new investors and different things like that, put this on your watch list and watch it. All right, if you want to get in, you have so much capital that you're looking to put into it, put maybe a third or half of that capital and wait to see if it goes up or if it dips. Then you can buy a dip and then lower your average and still have the company that you want. But you don't have to rush and buy this stock. But now, going into why I think this stock will do very well. All right, big things is that they have a good platform already. As if we pull up their website, they're on a lot of different devices. They're connected with a lot of different channels. They have live sports, live TV, and they want to be working with the World Cup. All right, and so the big thing about that is that the World Cup is huge all around the world. All right, now some catalyst is coming up is that they're going to be rolling out, and this is the big thing. The reason why I like them is because they're going to be having sports betting live from the TV. All right, so nobody has that out right now but them. Sports betting from your TV, which is awesome. All right, so I think that is going to be very big, and they're going to roll that out during the World Cup. All right, so that is coming up this summer. So I think that is a catalyst, if that does very well, to really spike and have this stock to run. And you can see here I have an article where it is talking about that right here. I have some of this stuff highlighted. They want to do some micro games and different things like that, so you can bet while the game's going on, while you're at the comfort of your home watching the TV. So I think this is an awesome play, a play that can make a lot of money. It has shot up before into the 62s, and I think it really rejects the teens. All right, it wants to be somewhere in the 20s, 25 range. So once it breaks out of that, I think it can comfortably sit in the 30s to 40s. All right, and then you just never know what's going to happen. But I think this is a great play, short and especially long term in the next couple of years when sports betting and gambling, state to state is approved. It's going to be huge. All right, so let's get in now. Let's get in early, before it hits Roku status, which is a stock that's over $200. I think the last time I checked. But let's get in now. Let's get in early. Let's get this money, man. I believe Fubotv is going to make you some money this year. Hop in that thing. All right, but make sure you do your due diligence as always. Next stock. Let's get it. All right, guys, our next big play is Bio-Nano Genomics. All right, I think I probably said that wrong, but we call it ticker symbol BNGO, BNGO. BNGO. The price right now is $7.14. I would love if this dropped back down to about $6 or $5. I think that would be a great price. The price target on it is at $12. So even if it stays at this price and goes up, that is almost 100% increase. All right, about 80% increase. So this is a great stock, man. I think that it has a lot of potential. I'll pull up their website right here. All right, this machine that you see on the screen right here, that Sapphire machine, what they do is they work with your genes. All right, and they, this machine blows up your genes, can look into the cells and look out what's going on. They can look at disease prevention, look at diseases and stuff that are in your genes or in your cells and things like that, blow it up and see what they need to do for treatment, for cancer, all these different things. So this is going to be big, huge. The biospace is huge for the future of healthcare. All right, and so that's why this stock has a lot of great potential. And then for the near future, I mean, I was on looking at the stock, looking at some different things, doing some DD, looked at the 3 top Robinhood stocks Wall Street thinks will soar 25 or more. All right, this article I'll link in the description came out yesterday. They're with Apple and Amazon, 2 of the best companies in the world, and then we have Bingo. All right, Wall Street thinks this is it can go up a whopping 80% higher than the stock's current price. 80%. All right, as we just talked about with that $12 price range. All right, and it's talked about the revenue and all those different things and how well this Sapphire machine does at mapping your genes and things like that. So this company is great. They had good earnings. They backed up kind of that price spike where they were at 50 cent all the way. This stock jumped all the way to $15. All right, so if we get in now, or get in under 7, get in at 6, like I said, make sure you map out your game plan. But if you get in and that thing goes up to 15 or whatever, man, there's no stopping it. All right, and like we said, for the future, I think the bio industry and things like that, working with your genes and that, is going to be huge. Shout out to my man Lamont Smith Jr. for putting me on some of these plays, man, especially this play back when it was 90 cent. We was in on it. Right now I have actually some calls on it. I'll go over how to place a call and different things like that on another video, but I have 3 option calls at $10. So I believe it'll hit $10, and I had that out for 2023. So if this thing runs up, my calls are going to look great. All right, but there again, like I said, this is a great play that I think will do very well. But there again, make sure you do your DD. And like I said, if you can get this under or have an average around $5 or $6, I think this is a great play to get into, and it's it's fairly cheap. All right, you can get a lot of these stocks at $7 than you can at something at $20, $30, $40. All right, so this is a great play right here. Make sure you guys do your DD and check out if this is a good stock for you. Next up. All right, guys, our number 1 play is Nio, man. Nio, Chinese electric car company. Nio is a great company. Look at that beautiful car on the screen. It's magnificent. Looks good. All right, so Nio, man, I had this back last year when it was at $7, man. Rode it all the way up to $42, and then sold it. It continued to run up to I think $60 or $70 actually, and then came back down some. But I think this is a great stock, man. It's at $41 right now. Shout outs to Lamar Smith, who put me on game, man, and helped me start to make. That was my first real profit I made in the stock market. It's at $41 and 94 cents right now. Anything under 40 is a steal in my book. All right, anything under 40 is a steal in my book. At this price is a great price. And I think really anything under 45 is a good price, and I think it should start to trend that way. Couple things about Nio, why I think it'll do very well. The EV market is great. It's picking up around the world. All right, you even know here in the United States, they want that Green New Deal, and it's going to be in effect by 2025. They want all pretty much cars to be electric. So you kind of see that's kind of the move. In China, a lot of the cars are already electric for the environment. Also, Nio is moving, not moving, but expanding into the UK. So that is even more of a thing that, you know, shows that this stock is going to continue to do well, continue to push out a great product. All right, especially in a space with like Tesla. I'm not saying that they are Tesla, but they're kind of competing there, you know. So they're kind of like, there's Tesla, and then they're kind of like the next best thing. So I think with China backing them, I think this company will do very well. Even just read this article that I'll link in the description. You won't be able to see the title, but it says, "Can Nio stock reach $100?" It says, "We think it's a matter of when, not if." All right, you can see Nio shares price soared more than 800% in the past year, peaking at almost 62 in early February before the gross stock sell off early in March. The company's innovative approach and overseas expansion strategies, combined with the growing market sentiment on global electrification and automation, are expected to boost the company's evaluation. We believe Nio shares price will soar beyond $160 by 2025 as global EV sales continue to ramp up, with autonomous driving becoming a reality. All right, so you can just see right there, man, that a lot of people believe that Nio is going to do very well. Now, they said 160 by 2025. I don't think it'll take that long for Nio to do so. All right, I think they are going to do very well, especially this summer. I think EV is going to start to pick up again. You know, Tesla and Nio has been down a little bit, but I think that it will boost back up. All right. So like I said, if you could get this under 40, that is a perfect buy. Also, a big thing that Nio has is, I think their target price is around $54. All right, so that would be about a $15 increase per share that you hold. Also, is a big thing that I like about them is that they have a battery swap. All right, so a lot of other EVs, you know, you can't swap a battery, where they have a battery swap that they'll be having with their cars. So I think that is huge. That's innovative, and that sets them apart from a lot of the other companies. So I think Nio's a great buy. Make sure you get on this play now before it's $160. All right, you don't want to see me, you know what I mean, driving in that new Nio, you know, it costs 50, 60, 70,000. You like, oh man, how you get that? Hey, I had some shares in Nio back when it was $40. Hopped on, now it's $200, $300, $400. I mean, let's just say it did if it did what half of Tesla did. I mean, we good, we Gucci. All right, so make sure, man, y'all hop on Nio again. Do your DD, you know, find out what's good for you. But like I said, if you could get this under 40, or if it drops back down below 35, man, you better buy it, because that is a deal, and this is on sale. All right, just like if you see some brand new J's in the store and they on sale for $100, man, go get them things. Go get them before they sold out and before they back up. All right, so that's it for this video, man. I hope you like this video. I hope these plays work out for you. Make sure you like, subscribe. All right, also follow us on Daily Cash. Give y'all a quick thing, man. What we did, since you stayed till the end of the video, I put this on my page, on my Instagram at Daily Cash Stocks. Told y'all to get in, and I got in at 194. I told them, get in. And look, got in. Total return so far, $210. All right, so, you know, I want to put y'all on game, man. You know, that was a nice $200. I hope it continues to do well. I think this will gap up. This was at, let's see, a month ago. This was up to $8. It is up even higher. Why is this not showing this correctly? All right, so it was up to like $10 at different points, and shot up even higher. So I think that, you know, there's a big gap here, and I think that it wants to be at least around $4 or $5. So I think it's still early to get in. If you get in under 250, 225, definitely make sure, man, you get this. This stock has been at this area a whole year. If we look at the whole year, it's been at $8.30. It's been trading this, hopped up to 11, 13, you know what I mean, $14. So this is a good stock, and you see this kind of big drop off, and it's really for They did an offering, but I think that will gap back up, and they just accommodated a new store. So I think this is a good stock as well. Kind of a little bonus since y'all stuck around, man. But thank you guys for the love and support. I hope this video does you well. Peace. Have a great day.